How to create a Maya account in 5 minutes with full step-by-step setup guide for beginners. Hey guys, in this video, I'll teach you how to create a Maya account in 5 minutes with a full step-by-step setup guide for beginners. First, download and open the Maya app on your phone. When the app opens, look at the screen and tap the Create Account button to begin the registration process. Next, enter your mobile number. Make sure you type an active phone number because Maya will send a verification code to that number. After that, check your messages for the OTP verification code. Type the code into the app and tap the confirm button to continue. Now, fill in your personal information carefully. Enter your full name, birthday, email address, and other required details exactly as shown on your valid ID. Next, create a secure password for your account. Choose a password that includes letters, numbers, and symbols to make your account safer. After completing your information, Maya may ask for identity verification. Tap the upload button and take a clear photo of your valid ID along with a selfie for verification. For example, you can use a passport, driver's license, or national ID card if those are accepted in your country. Once everything is submitted, wait for Maya to review your account details. Verification usually takes a few minutes, but sometimes it may take longer depending on the review process. When your account is approved, you can already use Maya for sending money, paying bills, online shopping, and other digital banking features. My short tip is always use clear lighting when taking your ID and selfie photos to avoid verification delays. So there you go guys. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below.